Cut the bands and remove the top and sides of the crate. Cut the remaining bands on the equipment. Locate the operator's manual packet and take out the 6 5/16 by 1 inch hex bolts and washers. Review the operator's manual and engine manufacturer's manual. Place these manuals into the manual tube when finished. Rotate the handle into position, making sure to route the e-stop wire and throttle cable so that they are not kinked. Using a 1/2 inch wrench, fasten the handle with the 6 5/16 bolts. Torque to 13 foot-pounds. Press down on the handle to tip the unit back. Move the depth control lever to the full up position and roll the unit off the pallet. The engine is delivered without oil. Fill the engine with the proper quantity, weight, and type of oil before use according to the engine manual. Check the chain adjustment. The chain should have about 1.5 inches of slack at the bottom. Refer to the operator's manual for chain adjustment procedure. Check tire inflation. Do not exceed the pressure specified on the tire sidewall. Grease the engine output shaft pillow block bearings. Grease the main drive shaft pivot.